If you change your breathing and maintain your sara, the breathing, the rebuilding happens quickly. So you can rebuild it as you want. Just by playing with your breath, you can walk out of any disease. Because you can rebuild that organ, you can rebuild that component, you can rebuild the body. I tell you, the most powerful Kumbhaka is Trinetra Kumbhaka. The most powerful Kumbhaka is Trinetra Kumbhaka. Trinetra Kumbhaka awakens your kundalini shakti to the cosmic union with Paramashiva, rebuilds your body, burns all the bad muscle memory, bad biomemory, does everything best. The Trinetra Kumbhaka I have explained multiple times. I can repeat now again. Inhale through the left nostril as much as you can comfortably and hold, closing both the nostrils with the thumbs as much as you can comfortably. Don't kill yourself. Do it as much as you can comfortably. Then, don't exhale. Without exhaling, again try to inhale through the right nostril as much as you can. When you try to inhale through the right nostril, automatically body will balance itself by exhaling little. You don't worry about it, but you don't exhale consciously. You try only to inhale through the right again and hold as much as you can be comfortably. And then, again, don't exhale. Try to inhale through both the nostrils and hold it as much as you can, comfortably. Then, when you feel you can't hold anymore, slowly exhale through the left nostril. This is the procedure of Trinetra Kumbhaka. Understand? When you do an exercise, not just the calories burnt is the only benefit. You invest in your body, which keeps you alive, active whole day. Same way, when you do this Trinetra Kumbhaka, not just the experience you get while you do that Kumbhaka is alone is the benefit. You invest in your prana sarira, energy source, which keeps helping you throughout the day. So start with 11 Trinetra Kumbhaka morning, 11 Trinetra Kumbhaka in the evening. After 2-3 days, make it into 21 Trinetra Kumbhaka in the morning, 21 Trinetra Kumbhaka in the evening. After maybe a week or 10 days, make it into morning 42 Trinetra Kumbhaka, evening 42 Trinetra Kumbhaka. Make it slowly more and more. Morning 108 Trinetra Kumbhaka, evening 108 Trinetra Kumbhaka. That's enough. If you reach morning 108, evening 108, that is enough. Because by the time your whole prana sarira, the system would have been aligned with a full kundalini shakti. Listen. It is not just playing with your breathing. It is playing with the source of energy for your existence, consciousness. Because when you are playing with your breathing, all the suffocating, terrorizing fears, that obsessive compulsive behavior patterns will get triggered. Any of you, if you feel you are suffering with the obsessive compulsive behavior patterns, the obsessive compulsive reactionary patterns, just do this Trinetra Kumbhaka, all that suffocation patterns will wake up and will just start terrorizing you. But you don't bother about it. Just do Trinetra Kumbhaka. You will see in few days the whole obsessive compulsive reactionary behavior patterns and the whole negativity along with it will simply be exhaled. Will simply leave your system, because when the kundalini shakti raises, this whole obsessive compulsive reactionary behavior pattern melts down. This Trinetra Kumbhaka is the most beautiful method to intensely trigger your ability to digest all the bad biomemories, bad muscle memories, the karma itself. Listen. Listen to this very carefully. Your age does not matter. Start the Trinetra Kumbhaka. Just connect with me. Start. You can start doing it like a just few times, 11 times a day. Even that is okay. It will be a great blessing. I tell you, this Trinetra Kumbhaka will liberate you from all suffocating, obsessive, compulsive, reactionary behaviors and that obsessive, compulsive, reactionary patterns internally. How you beat yourself because of these obsessive, compulsive, reactionary patterns and thought currents. You will be liberated from all that suffocations inside and all that behaviors outside, both. Listen. If you are young, you can start doing even morning 21 times, evening 21 times. If you are a little old, start in the morning 11 times, evening 11 times. Even for the elders, this is the best way. Understand? I am very sincere and caring about each one of you. I will prescribe this only after thorough study. I know many of you take me very sincerely and practice.